So let me pick up for part 2 for chapter 2, program exercise number 7. So you prompt the user right now, meaning you ask the user, and you're reading it in, cin, with this operator is called what? Stream insertion operator. What are you inserting it? You're inserting in the data inside of the number variable. NL means take the cursor to the next line. So this is the cout. This is the stream insertion operator. Okay, so this is the stream extraction operator. You're extracting the data. Remember, you're writing this from the reference point of the source code. Now, one of the things I want to point out is that how do you get to use the cout, cin, and the stream insertion operator and stream extraction operator? It's because of this command. So if I really want to do, I should say, after it's commented out, this command allows you to use cin, cout, and stream insertion operator, stream extraction operator. These are the things that you get to use with that. Okay, and one more is NL. Okay, so all this is all part of your reading with it as well. So once you store this into the variable, what do you got to do? You have to go in and you look at it, and what do you do with that memory with it as well? So I want you to output this, okay, to, here's the variable. That variable is this variable. You want to tell the user what you input in, so this will equal what? If you remember in your reading, there is what's called static underscore cast. This is a command that allows you to convert a data type from one form to another. Now in the book they show you there is what's called the data type converted to the expression. It's the expression that's what you're going to put this inside of. So this is the static cast. The data type that you want to convert to is an int, right? That's being run off with this. Now I'm just going to put number here. We're going to talk about this variable number. And if I put this right now, not number. So this is very important. This number is this number. So if I put 3, what is 3.5? And I'm just going to comment on this thing. What is 3.5? What is 3.5 on it off? 4, right? Round off to the nearest integer is 4. What is 3.2? Round off to the integer is 3. Right? Fair? So how did you get from here to here? How did you get from here to here? Now, I want to share with you with this, if you can see what I'm talking about with this. What's the difference between 0.5 to here? Well, this difference is the difference between these numbers is 0.05, right? So it's 0.5, and all you have to do with that is you take the integer part, which is what? 4. Now, what is if you take this part, do the same thing, add 5 to it. So what if I add 5 to it? What does that equal? Well, that actually equals what? 3.7, right? And I take the int part of this. What's 3.7 int? 3. Okay, so that's why you get to 3. Okay, so you take the integer part of 3.7, which is 3. Okay, so now if you can understand what I just said, you take this variable that you just did over here, and you read it in with it, and what you're going to do is you're going to add 0.5 to it. Nope. Sorry, you're going to add a 0.5 to it. Right, so how do you add 0.5? This is the expression that allows you to add the 0.5. Okay, so then you convert, this is the expression part. You convert that into an integer part, which is just the integer part. Okay, drop the decimal. So that's what you're going to do. So if I took this right now, Control S saves it, Control 5, compile it, and this is what I should get, right? I'm going to tighten up the screen here. Okay, so, oops, sorry, I don't know why, what I hit here. So let me do it again. Close out of that, Control F5. My mouse kind of hit something here. So I'm put in 3.5, hit enter. So the integer nearest to 3.5 is 4, because I had 0.5 to it and I took the integer part. Okay, and I do it again. So what if I take 3.2? Well, again, add 0.5 to it, which is 3.7, and I take the integer part, it's only 3. Okay, got it? Okay. That's it. That will conclude the part that we're doing for this lab. So take a screenshot of that and demonstrate that for me, would you please?